Diaper smell. What is normal and what indicates that you have an issue that might need troubleshooting? That is what we're talking about today. So the truth of the matter is that whether you have a baby in cloth diapers or disposable, you are going to encounter some serious smells. And this is actually a helpful thing. Your sniffer can tell you a lot about what's going on with your kiddo and even just in general your household, right? It's incredible how much we use our sense of smell. So here are some normal cloth diaper smells. Okay, so number one, it is normal for your dirty diapers that are sitting in either a pail liner like this or a wet bag like this. It's normal for those diapers to have odor. Of course they're going to smell because they were peed and pooped in. Now, remember, when you cloth diaper, when your kiddo goes poop, you're going to want to remove the solid waste. You can do that by spraying it. You can use a biodegradable liner that you kind of shake the poop off and then throw the liner away. You can dunk it. However you get rid of the poop, you get rid of the waste, and then you put your dirty diaper wherever you store your diapers before you wash them, okay? It is normal for those diapers to smell. And why? Well, of course, it's dirty diapers, but also urine, as it breaks down, it turns into ammonia, okay? So it's going to be, you're going to start to experience some of that smell. Now, one of the things that you can do, and this is so important, if you're a note taker, write this down. More frequent washing helps with smells and makes your diapers easier to clean. So at Thirsties, we actually recommend that you wash your diapers every other day. Some families can stretch that time a little more, and the way that they do that is that when you have a dirty diaper or even a wet diaper, you spray it, rinse it with fresh water, wring that out, okay, wring out the water, and then put it in your wet bag or your dry pail, okay? That will really help you extend if you need to go more than every other day between your washes, okay? Another thing that you can do if you're particularly sensitive to smell is that you can sprinkle some baking soda into your pail, and that will help as well with some odor. But again, the biggest thing you can do here is wash more frequently, okay? So it's normal for your diapers in here to smell. Another case where it's normal to have your diapers to have a stronger smell to them is a nighttime diaper. Now remember, ammonia breaks down. Urine starts to break down into ammonia about 2 hours after it leaves the body. So a nighttime diaper, you're one, gonna have more pee in it, and two, it's gonna have been sitting there for longer. So it is common for those nighttime diapers to have a very strong smell. Thing that you can do to help this and also to make it easier to clean is, even if it's just pee, again, rinse it, wring it out, put it where you're storing your dirty diapers. That is a normal smell. That nighttime diaper, strong smell, it's okay, it's normal. Another situation where your diapers are going to start to have a stronger odor to them is as your baby gets older. Toddler, 2-year-old, 3-year-old, 4-year-old diapers, they're no joke, right? They're strong smelling things, right? Well, why does this happen? As your baby, as their diet gets more complex, as they start to hold on to their urine longer, it's just a more concentrated diaper situation that's happening. So it's normal for those toddler diapers, those older diapers, older kid diapers to smell. And again, what you can do to help is rinse those off well before putting them in your dry pail. or wet bag. Now, another thing that will help with that too is as my babies got older, I really found that I preferred natural fibers with them because a natural fiber that would be something like this. This is a natural all-in-one from Thirsties. It has 2 hemp cotton soakers and then there's organic cotton in the body. I was much more successful with the natural fiber diaper, getting it nice and clean, versus a synthetic diaper. So this is an all-in-one that has microfiber. Okay, you see all those little stitches there? And I found that with my toddler diapers, it was hard to get my microfiber diapers as clean as I wanted. Again, the rinsing does help with that, but I tended, as my baby got older and their diapers got more complex, I really preferred the natural fibers, okay? So those are all normal diaper smells. Now, let's talk about what is not normal, what starts to indicate that you've got something that you need to troubleshoot. Okay. When you're washing your diapers, remember the basic cloth diaper wash routine is this: a pre-wash or quick wash on warm or cold, your preference, okay? Step 1. Step 2, a hot wash with the recommended amount of detergent per how big your load size is. So you're going to need to read the instructions on your detergent and on your washing machine to figure out the specific levels that you need. But that hot wash with detergent, that's the most important step. And if your machine has a heavy cycle option, definitely choose that. Then the final step is an extra rinse, just to be sure that there's no detergent residue on your diapers hanging out, okay?